Okay, it's Friday the 7th of July. I'm on my way down to the Royal Cape Yacht Club and I'm going to go and do my first course with Ralph. It's, I think, just the beginner's course in sailing, so it's going to be pretty straightforward and maybe just tying some knots and, I don't know, pulling some sails. I haven't done my homework yet, but hopefully I'll learn everything I need to know this morning from him about exactly what side of the boat is which. Port, starboard and stern and whatever. Okay, here goes. Morning. I'm coming to do a course in sailing at the Royal Cape Yacht Club. 9 o'clock. So this is going to be my home for the next couple of months, I suppose, coming down here to come and do my course every so often. There we go, Royal Cape Tavern of the Seas, Royal Cape Yacht Club. Okay, here we are at the Royal Cape Yacht Club for the beginning of my sailing career, sailing studies. How's it, guys? Oh, my knots have been learned. Thank you. Cheers. Alright, here we are at the Royal Cape. Good morning. I'm very well. I'm trying to find Ralph. Hi, Ralph, nice to meet you. This is it. Hope you don't mind, I'm holding a GoPro here. I'm filming a little bit. I'm doing a blog. Everybody seems to be doing these blogs on their journeys. So
So you've met this reprobate?
I have, yeah, no, he's a good friend of Connor as well. So
Well,
yeah.
that's bad news. Any friend of Connor's got to be a friend of mine as well.
Well, you have
This
to.
is Eric.
Eric, nice to meet you.
Is it
Graham.
Hamish or Graham?
Well, use Graham rather. My name's actually Hamish, but I use Graham because
Okay, Graham.
it's
and
easier.
That's Brett you met.
Fred?
Brett.
Another Fred.
Brett.
Brett. Sorry.
Brett, Brett. Your name again?
His hearing's a bit dodgy.
Yeah, when you're old, your hearing goes.
What is your name again?
Eric.
Eric the half-beat. Got it.
So you guys are taking Graham under wing.
Yep.
Okay? You're going to do a safety briefing. He's going to check your safety briefing.
Okay.
You're going to do a safety briefing with Graham.
Yeah. I don't.
And do a call port control. Request permission to leave the VNA.
Okay.
So you know what to do? Port control twice. This is Chanticleer. Do you copy over? Wait till they come in. Then you say, morning ma'am, morning captain. Request permission to leave our mooring at the Royal Cape and head out into the bay. Over. Then they'll say, yes, permission granted, or watch out for blah, blah, blah. And you say, yes, copy that, standing by on 1-4, out.
Okay. So what?
Wings are on the boat, okay?
Okay.
So here, that's the forepeak, okay?
Yeah.
In there is the chain, okay?
Yes. For the anchor and the.
That's one of the escape hatches are here,
Okay. Yeah.
Here we have the head, okay? The toilet.
Only
Here
when you're out
is-
at sea.
Yeah, not here, okay?
Yeah.
Here is just a storage area for all his sails, okay?
Yes.
So those are different kind of sails he has, okay? Depending on the condition. Then here is one of the fire
Extinguisher.
extinguishers, okay? That's important to know, okay?
Yep. Yeah. You never know. We hope we don't need it.
So here in the galley, underneath there are tools, okay? We might need, okay?
Yes.
This is another type of fire extinguisher. That's a foam one, I think, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
So that you might
For oil
use
or
it for the engine if it goes on.
Okay,
I think that might
yeah,
be better. Okay,
yeah.
to put that on, okay?
Yeah.
And here there's two more fire extinguishers.
Okay. Rather too many than too few.
Yeah.
First save.
Okay, then the kitchen here in the kitchen you have to, when we go sealing that the valve for the gas is off, okay?
Yep.
Okay. Here is the engine sitting, okay?
Yeah.
The cabin, okay?
All right.
Yeah, there's actually enough fire extinguisher.
Well, yeah.
So I think we have enough.
Yeah, and another escape hatch.
And enough escape hatch.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Then
Right.
here's just storage for if we need extra
Ropes.
One thing you shouldn't say on the ship.
What?
Rope, because every rope has its own
Name.
Yeah, because everybody has its own use. Okay.
Ah.
So I show you then the one here where you lift up the sail is a halyard. Okay. It's
Okay.
called the halyard.
Yeah,
Okay. Then the one here which are connected to the sail are called sheets. Okay.
And normally,
And all the other ones are lines, okay, mooring line you heard and things like that.
Right,
Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
actually, if you say rope,
You get hung by a rope.
yeah, you have to buy him a cappuccino or everybody a cappuccino. So
Okay.
he doesn't want to use that.
I will remove
name,
that from
okay?
my vocabulary. There's no more word like that.
okay, now you can carry on. How
Is it
far are
done?
you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been through
Now
all
you can
the.
make a noise.
Yeah.
Okay, here then is the station, okay, with the radio, VHF
Sorry, let me
radio.
just move.
VHF radio, so that
Here
you
in
can
the
that.
tower we use 14, okay.
Okay.
So there's an area you can see on the map where 14 is used.
All right.
Otherwise, when we are out, the international one is 16. Okay.
Okay.
So if you go somewhere you don't know, you use 16.
All
okay?
right. And that's standard around the world. That's.
Yeah, 16 is standard around the world. huh?
Okay.
Then here is the harness in windy conditions you put on. Okay.
Okay.
Up there I show you that the jack stays where you put them. You hook yourself on.
Jack
okay?
stays.
Yeah. It's those cables which are running on the deck.
All right.
Okay. with,
Okay.
life jackets. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
This is an e-burp. Okay.
E-burp.
It's an emergency positioning indicating radio beacon, right?
That's it.
Ah,
Yeah, get up,
emergency.
Question examiner.
Say that again.
Because he said emergency
Yeah.
positioning
Yes.
indicating
Yes.
radio beacon.
Okay, got
so
it.
what happens if you're in dire need? Okay.
Yeah.
That's what you throw. You activate it, and that automatically shows them where you are, your
Ah.
location. Okay, so
That's
that's,
the
why
most important thing.
position indicating. Okay.
Okay.
And you don't throw it, you keep it.
Well, if
Because
you
they need to find you. So
Yeah, no.
see if the boat goes down, you hang on to that.
Yeah, my raft is up there, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Inside of- But this is then another very important safety. That's it's called a grab bag, okay?
A grab bag. Okay.
Yeah. So in here is so that's watertight, okay?
Yeah.
And in here is things like this is a fire blanket, okay? If
All
you-
right.
The stove.
So this is like an emergency box.
Yeah.
No.
that's a.
No. Sorry, that's you put on the ship so that it's easier to see the orange, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
So it's a
Then
big orange canvas,
Yeah.
like
Then
in
you have
plastic.
flares, okay?
Yeah.
Rocket flares and all those things.
Gloves for when it's.
Should I go away?
How long are those? No,
For-
but when you can do a detail. Next time you can do a detailed one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long are the flares valid for?
3 years.
So you have to check them every 3 years. And
You have to
how
get
they
them
work?
new ones. Yeah. Okay. If you get the certification of the boat, okay, like every year he has to take for the certification process. So if they see it's more than 3 years, then he won't
'Cause my-
pass. So he has.
Okay, so that
there's smoke cans in there. Okay, that's where you open
Okay.
it and the smoke. Okay, flares.
so that's your emergency.
Yeah. Also, you will put in if
Container.
you go like sailing, offshore, you will put in like some food or whatever
Ah.
you need. Okay.
So you grab that and you grab that. Those
Yeah.
two go with you wherever you go.
Yeah.
If you off
If
the
you go
boat.
in the life raft,
Yeah.
or if you can't stay on the boat. Okay,
Yeah.
So
But if
then,
you can't,
it depends
those two
on
go
the-
with you.
yeah, okay.
All
So
right.
It's called the
What's it called?
grab bag.
Grab bag. Grab it.
Yeah.
Grab it. Grab bag. Got it.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. Hands to the side, harping and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not of greed, and he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Yeah, my first 4 hours or 13 nautical miles.
7.
7.
7.
7.
17.
It's my birthday in like a day's time.
How many days?
2 days time.
No way. Mine's at the end of the month, 29th.
Ah, it's July babies too.
Yeah. So it's 7 months, 9 months back from then, which it's November or something.
Always faultless, Chanticleer.
Well, here we go, my first day sailing with Ralph and all the guys. Went really well. It wasn't really kind of scary, it was actually very calm, very nice. Learned all my basics, so filmed most of it so I can actually watch it again. And I think next week Tuesday will be our second lesson, and slowly but surely got my first nautical miles logged in my logbook, so rocking and rolling.